Hello everyone, this is my Google Classroom. I did my classroom as an art classroom, so my theme, I selected a painting from one of my pictures that I have done. On our Google Classrooms, we were required to make an announcement, a first assignment, and a second assignment. So when I did these, I kept my art in mind, and of me wanting to teach art in mind, I should say. My first assignment was about primary and secondary colors. I asked students what the primary colors are and how do you get your secondary colors. I required my students to make a painting or write about them, just to have fun with the colors, to really get the creativity flowing when it came to getting to know the class. My second assignment was to paint a color wheel using the primary and secondary colors, and I included 3 videos that showed 3 different very creative color wheels. On my rubric, I wasn't too sure how to do it in my classroom, so I just added it to it on the bottom part, which is right here. I went by what we do in our classroom now for our rubrics on meeting criteria and what I expect for creativity on my assignments. How I can use this in a classroom, I would love it. Here we could create announcements. We could make announcements for both students, teachers, and even parents. We can include announcements for field trips. We can include test dates. We can include everything under these announcements. When we use assignments, we can have it available to parents also. Here we can include a due date so that students and parents can know when an assignment is due, which may decrease the chance of assignments being late. Here we can create any questions about any of our subjects. We can have students answer them, students can reply to each other, kind of like the discussions we have in our class, which is really helpful. I really like the idea of using Google Classroom in my future classroom. I think that it would be so helpful in keeping everyone on one page, and it can include all teachers, and it can include the parents of the students as well. I really like this program. Thank you for looking at my classroom, and I hope you all have a good day.